I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today.
Hello. I think it's going to rain today. Alexa said it could, but see, look, it's looking kind of cloudy out there and like dark, like maybe it could rain on us as we're walking, but hopefully not. We'll just see how far we get. So how are you all doing today? Today is my Friday. I don't know what day it is for you. Wait, Friday. It's yours. It's Jesus and Judy Day. Hey, heads up. I'm not 100%. I'm going to go see Judy tomorrow on Sunday, or even go to church Sunday. I have a pretty long list of things I need to get done. And so, that I normally do on Saturday, but I know what I could do. I'm going to talk to Mom because I have kids' church. I have this training to go to. So maybe I'll see Judy on Saturday. Hang on. I'm going to give her a call. Oh, yay. I'm going to go see Mom tomorrow. So she has to get a haircut. And then, so even though today's Sunday, just know I will be at home today. I won't be going to see Judy. It'll still be Jesus for me. I'll watch it online. Oh, look, the sun's peeking out for just a minute. It says, hi, Terri. I'm still up here, but now I'm going back away. I'm going back into hiding. Anyway, so I think that'll be a perfect plan. We will get up in the morning, kind of plink around, and then I'll go to, it's a training for kids' church. I've told you all that 11 times, I know. They're having I told you all this too, but I don't care. I'm telling you again, you're supposed to bring a picture of yourself in the age of the kids that you work with. And so anyway, I got one of me. I think I showed y'all. I'll tell you what they do with it tomorrow. But so I have the training, and then I'll go hang out with Judith, and then I'll go home, and then Sunday I'll do all the things that I need to get done. So, because it's just, things just build up. But anyway, so that's what I know. And I ain't going all the way down there. I'm going. What if it starts raining? I was going to, but what if it starts raining? I'm going to be madder than a wet hen. I'll be a wet Terri. Oh, man, I don't want to have to get wet and have this far to walk. Y'all ain't got a lick of sense. I can tell you one thing. This weather going back and forth has me a hacking, and I don't like it. I know it's, that, and then, it might be a little fact that I spent the night in the bar. But it was fun. Oh, I love playing pool. I have such a fun time, guys. It's fun. I get to just chill and not have to wear a supervisor hat, not have to wear worry about what other people say or think hat. I can just be as silly as I want to be and just have a good time. And they don't care. They let me just be silly. So, all right. Well, let's see. So I'm going to eat here in a little bit. I'm getting pretty hungry. It's only 10:20, and I'm hungry. So I'm trying to do something to entertain my brain. So we're going for this little walk. Oh, look at that bird. That's a big one. Looks like a hawk. Do you remember the Bugs Bunny cartoon? I'm a chicken. I'm a chicken hawk. Anyway, so I'm hungry, so I figure I'll take this walk for a distraction. I'll go to my office when we're done, and I'm going to drink quite a bit. I've been doing fine with my water, but anyway, and then, oh, you guys, I'm so glad it's Friday. Then I'm going to pass out stickers. So I pass out stickers on Fridays just to let everybody know that they are thought of, and I always say, congratulations, you made it through the week and you're still employed. Sometimes that's all you can do in life, Sometimes all you can do is just get out of bed. And sometimes all you can do is get up to go to the bathroom and go back and lay down, So it's a big deal, just to take one step at a time every day, I definitely can understand that. So, all right, guys, I'll let you go, and I'm going to finish my stroll up here. I'm almost there, and And I'll talk to you all when I eat. I also think I'm hungry because I know it's Taco Bowl day. Look, here's little Tawanda. She's sporting our church sticker. It's Taco Bowl day, guys. Well, I'm making it. little sleepy. I got home after midnight, so I'm definitely a little sleepy. The coffee is slowly wearing itself out. What I found, and I've told you all this before, what I do with my coffee is I make it in the morning. You know, I do the instant kind. I make it in the morning and I bring it in my cup. And then I drink it halfway down and then I add more water. And I find that instead of getting that big old hit of energy and caffeine, it's just kind of like a slow up and a slow down. So like I do that twice. So I drink it halfway or so and then go in and add hot water to it. Drink it halfway or so and then add hot water to it. So basically I'm just drinking watered down coffee. But y'all know as much stuff as I put in it. Hey, I'm pretty excited also. I know I said I wanted to kind of start tracking again. And I found out that because one of you all had suggested, sorry, I can't think of names on the fly, that I see how many calories are in a rotisserie chicken, a whole one, and divide it by 4. Well, I looked at the Sam's, I'm taking a bite. I've been waiting all day. Hallelujah for some good food. Anyway, yeah, I've been waiting since I woke up. It's 11:10. Look at me pushing it back. Now, what the heck was I talking about? It's so good, I done forgot. Hang on, let me see if I can remember. Okay, it was tracking calories. You had suggested I look at how many servings there was in a rotisserie chicken and divide it by 4. But what I did was I looked at the label that's on the rotisserie chicken, and then I plugged that into ChatGPT, and I said, is the 3 ounces of meat in a serving of rotisserie chicken, is it cooked weight or raw weight, and does it include the bone? And it said that it's only the meat you eat, and unless it says with skin, it's guesstimated on without skin. So this batch that I have now is going to be off, by some calories, depending on when I start, and that's okay. I'm not going to sweat about it, because I'm not exactly sure when I'm going to start. I've also been tossing around the idea of doing like a more meat focused reset, not carnivore, but just a meat focused. I know I've done them before, but sometimes kind of helps me detox a little bit. Not detox my body so much, but detox my brain. Kind of gives it a reset of, okay, Terri, you've been eating all these nuts. Now we're going to take away the nuts and the veggies. But I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Haven't really thought too hard about it. But because I have to, when the nuts are gone, then I'll deal with it then. Plus, I haven't been shopping for a very meat heavy way of eating. I'm just my meat focused, which definitely have meat at all my meals. But anyway, I don't know. There's been a lot of scuttlebutt going around right now. I know. I saw Nisha Berry's talking about, doing high protein and focusing on high protein. I didn't really dive into it yet. I started listening to it a little bit last night, but then I need to go to pool. What else? I don't know what else. I think it's because I'm so tired and I'm so hungry. So I love you all, and we'll just talk more at Lupper. Or maybe it'll be a short day because I'm so tired. We may just figure Fridays are going to be short. I don't know. But that's what I got. Oh, I never even said. Y'all are here for food, and here I am. So this is a taco bowl. It has cabbage, onions, rutabaga, peppers, tomatoes. I use some Thousand Island dressing, some Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Did I say salsa? And I got salsa on here. So that is my Southwestern bowl today. I'm going to take one more bite, and I'll see you people on the flip side. Come on. Hey, look. The sun's out. Yay. Okay, it's awful bright.
Dude, let me tell you about the shenanigans that go on in my house. I come in, go to the restroom, and I'm like, I thought I had another roll of toilet paper that was like, that I had used, but evidently not. Well, anyway, so I was like, I'm going to go look outside and see if these wild things took it outside. No, that ain't what was taken outside. You know what I found out there? My sleep tank top, well, one of them. I tell you what, I guarantee you these kids had a good time. It's a good thing I got this from the thrift store for about $1. But look, holes all in it. Ain't no way I could wear that. That wouldn't even stay up. I'd have my boobs flipping and flopping out. It'd be one boob here and one boob there. Can't do nothing with that, so there you go, twerp. Sammy Joe. I know Sammy Joe. How do I know Sammy Joe? Because when I picked it up and started walking into the house with it, he grabbed it to try to play tug of war. I said, no, sir. That is mine. No, sir. Well, he can have it now, the little twerp. He says, I'm a good boy. Don't be believing the mean things my mama says about me. I'm a good boy. I guarantee you that was his accomplice. Guarantee. That's why there's holes all in it. Because they decided to play tug of war. But I hope that Callie won. Because girls rule and boys drool. I got to blow my nose. Hang on. All right, supper's kind of different tonight. All right, let's just start with this first because it's here. It's apple. It's apple pie creamy. I told y'all I made a bunch of individual flavors, so. They did a good job with the apple. If you it tastes like apple pie. Instead of making it creamy like I did, I'm going to check and see if I can order more. This would be good as cookies. I can mix them with that cottage cheese. And man, I hope I remember. That's the key part. I hope I remember to get some more. Man, that was good. All right. Now, this hodgepodge mess. I still am in the process of stirring it up. So, I'll stir and I'll tell you what's in it. So, I went ahead and fried up 2 eggs. And as they were done, I kind of chopped them all up into bite-sized pieces. So, think of a rough, chopped chicken salad. Not a salad with chicken, but chicken salad. So, and I had a regular white, my dishes, but it swarmed on me and I had to put this in something bigger because, when you get to stirring, you need more space. So, 2 eggs. It was like, I measured it 7 ounces of chicken. There's some red onions, some peppers, some rutabaga, some Greek yogurt, some Greek seasoning. Oh, some my dill mustard. Tomatoes. Oh, and I poured in some of my no sugar added bread and butter pickles. But I got to get a bite that has a lot of stuff in it. So I want to get, that's got a rutabaga, and there's an onion. There's a little piece of egg. It's going to be a big bite. Shut up. Shut up. Okay, close your eyes. I made a Southwestern flavor. add a little bit of salsa and a little bit of Thousand Island just to kind of creamy it up. Kind of make it a little more gummy. This will be real good on some type of tortilla shell or Quest chips or tortilla shells. Man, let me take another bite and then we'll talk. My coworkers couldn't tell me about something that they knew. Chicken salad ain't got to be made the same every time. You can just snazz it up the way you want it. One of my coworkers came racing out of the room and grabbed the purse, and she's like, "I'll be right back. Got an errand." I'm like, "Okay." Well, then somebody else said, "Hey, if they have more, get me one." They were going to lunch. And I'm like, "What they got? Maybe I want some." So later on, I asked the other one. I said, "Where's she going? Or what's she getting?" She's like, "Well, I ain't telling. You don't need to know." I'm like, "Where's she going?" Because we had just been talking about that emergency stuff, for your, that people take so they don't get sick. And I thought maybe she found some great deal on it. She's like, "Terri, the big bags of the Quest chips are $4. I said, "That's how much the little ones are at Walmart." She said, "I know." I was like, "What flavor?" She said, "Nacho." I'm like, "Oh," but I didn't get any. And I said, "Then I'm not getting any." She's like, "I know, you don't." It was by Leslie. She's like, "No, you don't need any." So I managed to not get involved in that impulsiveness, which they both are able to eat a couple, close it up, and save it for later. I ain't got that ability. Anyway, her and the coworkers. So yeah. So anyway, yep, that's what I know. Man, I got a lot of swelling in my legs. I'm sure it has nothing to do with it. Oh, I was standing so much last night. I couldn't sit. I was just holy smokes. Now that's a bruise. Look at that. Not that, but hang on. Let me see if I don't want to break my leg, but that right there that's a bruise. Now I don't know what I done. That's the joy of having dogs. I got a bruise back there. I find bruises all over me. I'm like, what the heck? But it's because I'm on an anti-platelet, so it doesn't make blood thinner like Coumadin. Coumadin makes blood thinner, but the anti-platelet makes it anti-sticky, so that when you get a cut, all the lymphs don't run in and clot it off really fast. So it makes it not stick, because the purpose is, if you're if you got heart issues, heart disease, or clotting or whatever with the stents, they didn't want my body to see the stents and think it was a foreign thing and try to clot it off, and then it clot up too much, and then it blocked the stents. So anyway, so yeah, well, that's all I know. So if you have a Sam's, go check out their Quest chips. See if their big bags are still $4. That's all I know. Oh yeah, I told y'all I'm gonna go to the thing tomorrow, and then I'm gonna go see Judy. I hope I remember to get gas. Man, I need gas in my car. It's like a little over a quarter of a tank. However, Mom's town is the town that has the cheap gas. Yeah. Oh yeah. So I was saying, I may have had a little extra coffee today, and the reason is because I was so sleepy. Last night, so it was like at the tail end, and I was so tired of sitting. My legs were tired of sitting. My hips were tired of sitting. So I stood up for, I don't know, maybe an hour or so, keeping score. I was kind of dancing around, not like twirling dancing, just kind of, you stand, dance, and jiggle to the music. And anyway, but because I was that, and because I was sitting, I have so much fluid that's down in my lower legs. I'm quite sure all that extra nuts hasn't helped either. But anyway, so, all right. Well, I love you people, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow.